All right, let's open up our electric welder package. Our Chicago electric welder. Well, I guess it kind of looks like a little mini iron, but it sounds cooler to say electric welder. And I already took the liberty of opening it up. And as Amazon usually does, they send it in an envelope, unprotected. Well, I guess there's a little bit of protection in here. Not really. But they don't care. All right, let's check it out. Oh, it's a True Power brand. In the Canadian side, it says it's Chicago, and then in the American side, it says it's True Power. But whatever it is, it probably comes from China. Doesn't matter. Warning from the state of California, cancer and reproductive harm. Oh, here it is. These must be our little welding rods. I guess you can have any color you want as long as it's black. This is the head that has to go in there. And here's the welding rod itself. It kind of looks like a cheap soldering gun. And our toothbrush. Oh, and they give you a little bit of steel mesh too, so you can looks like something out of a screen. This is your rebar. This will act just like rebar does in concrete, so you got to work this into your plastic to give it strength. And what else we got here? Oh, I guess that's where you set your hot iron. And we actually get some instructions. Nobody reads instructions. All right, that's pretty much it. This is 80 watts. Heats to 525 degrees. And does all types of thermoplastic, olefin, polyethylene. And I'll go try it out. I got my bucket outside that I usually carry to carry wood in the house, and it developed a hole in it the other night. So I'm going to try and weld that hole shut. There's a hole in my bucket, dear Martha, dear Martha. All right. Thanks for watching.